In today's video, I'll show you how to change time zones in Calendly step by step. Keeping your time zone settings accurate is important because it ensures invitees see the correct meeting times and helps prevent scheduling confusion, especially when working with people in different countries. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and open Account Settings. Next, locate the Calendar Settings or My Account section, depending on your Calendly version. Look for the Time Zone setting. Click on the current time zone to open the drop-down menu. Now search for and select the time zone you want to use. For example, you can choose Eastern Time, Pacific Time, Greenwich Mean Time, or any other supported time zone. After selecting the correct time zone, click Save to apply your changes. Calendly will now use this time zone as your default scheduling zone. If you have connected calendars, such as Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar, make sure their time zone settings also match your preferred time zone to avoid scheduling conflicts. Next, review your event types. Open one of your event types and verify that the availability and meeting times are displaying correctly after the update. Calendly automatically detects invitees' local time zones and displays available meeting slots in their own time zone, making scheduling easier for both parties. Before finishing, open your booking page in a private browser window and confirm that the event times appear as expected. If you frequently travel or work with international clients, periodically review your time zone settings to ensure everything stays accurate. And that's how you change time zones in Calendly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.